Yes, good morning students. So previous class we have derived with distance between two skew lines. So the next derivation what we are going to see is distance between two parallel lines. Which are the two parallel lines I have taken here? L1 is one parallel line, L2 is one more parallel line. Okay, the distance between these two. So it is denoted by what? The distance PT. Okay, so here I have constructed one triangle and this angle I have taken it as what? Theta. So first the introduction part, what you have to write regarding describing the diagram, what you have to write, if there are two lines L1 and L2 and L1 is parallel to L2 and they are coplanar. Coplanar means they are existing in the same plane. Then the two equations are given by R is equal to A1 plus lambda B and R is equal to A2 plus lambda B. So previously in our distance between two skew lines ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ R is equal to ಏನಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ದು A1 plus lambda B1 ಇತ್ತು. R is equal to A2 plus mu B2. B1 and B2 were changed because they were not coplanar and they were not parallel. That is what skew lines. So skew lines ಒಳಗ ಎರಡು B1 B2 values different ಇರ್ತಾವ. But parallel lines ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ both will be same. The vector B will be same. Okay. So what is A1? It is the position vector with respect to S and A2 is what? It is position vector with respect to T. Then we have to find the distance PT. Modulus of PT. This itself is what? The distance between two parallel lines. So theta be the angle between them. Then cross product tagote now B cross ST. So cross product formula nimge gotta modulus of, for example, if you have A cross B. Okay, vector algebra ಒಳಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿ magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sin theta. So illu kuda B cross ST. If it is there, then what you have to take? Magnitude of B into magnitude of ST into sin theta into n cap we had written here. If you remember, what is this n cap? It is unit vector. Okay, it is a unit vector which is parallel to the plane. And ST as it is in distance between skew lines ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, it is what? A2 minus A1. So from this equation, ಈಗ substitute ಮಾಡ್ರಿ B cross A2 minus A1. ST value ಏನದ? A2 minus A1 is equal to B as it is. ST sin theta, ಇದರ value PT ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Because if you see the diagram here, what is sin theta? It is PT divided by ST. Correct? So if you see the, what is the opposite side to this? It is PT. So sin theta value ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? PT divided by ST. ಅಂದ್ರ opposite divided by hypotenuse. So cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ST sin theta will be equal to what? PT. So ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ B as it is ST ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ PT into n cap. Okay. So B cross ST value A2 minus A1. B as it is ST sin theta andre ಏನು? PT that I have written and n cap. You know n cap is what? Unit vector. Unit vector andre adar value 1 ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. So 1 you have to write. Therefore you get the distance is equal to what? B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B. Okay. So what is distance between two parallel lines? The formula is what? B cross A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B. So first what you have to write? You have to write there are two lines L1 and L2. Erad lines irtava. A1 a position vector with respect to S. A2 position vector with respect to T. So B is what? It is also a vector what we are taking. So first cross product ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು. B cross ST is equal to cross product formula magnitude of B into magnitude of ST into sin theta into n cap. N cap is what? Unit vector perpendicular to the plane. So ST value andra ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ distance. So it will be A2 minus A1. So B as it is. ಇದು equation number 3. B as it is ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ST ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? A2 minus A1 is equal to magnitude of B as it is st sin theta ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ pt substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, because from this triangle you will get sin theta is equal to pt divided by st. therefore st sin theta ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ? pt ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. n cap as it is. n cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದರದ್ದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದ, ಸೊ ಅದರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಆಗ್ತದ. therefore the distance pt will be equal to what? b cross a2 minus a1 divided by modulus of b. Clear? So this is the derivation of distance between two parallel lines. So next we shall see one example on each. So ಇದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಹಿಂಗ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ, find the shortest distance between two lines, that will be skew lines. Find the distance between two lines, ಅದು ಕೂಡ parallel lines ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. First, when the equation is given, try to compare the equation with standard form. So find the shortest distance between the lines L1 and L2. Vector equations are R is equal to I plus J plus lambda times of 2I minus J plus K. Okay, next second equation in kotara, R is equal to 2I plus J minus K plus mu times of 3I minus 5J plus 2K. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ a1 plus lambda times of b1, r is equal to a2 plus lambda times of b2, sorry mu times of b2. So this is standard equation. Skew lines derive ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, this is standard equation. Okay, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1 and 2 if you give them, compare these 1 and 2 with this. ಸೊ ಈಗ a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? i plus j ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಮ್ಡಾ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. b1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2i minus j plus k ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್, a2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2i plus j minus k ಆಗ್ತದೆ. b2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3i minus 5j plus 2k. So I write all the values first. a1 is equal to i plus j. Okay, next b1 is equal to 2i minus j plus k. Okay, next a2 is equal to what? 2i plus j minus k. Okay, b2 is equal to what? 3i minus 5j plus 2 times of k. So first I have written all the given things what is required. Next, you know the formula to find shortest distance. Don't forget this formula always. Remember, b1 cross b2 dot product with a2 minus a1 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. So this is the formula to calculate the shortest distance between two skew lines. b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2 dot product with a2 minus a1. So ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತದಾವ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, b1 b2 a2 a1, just you have to substitute them. Okay, first I find a2 minus a1. So a2 minus a1 is equal to, a2 value is here 2i plus j minus k, a2 minus a1 value is I plus j. Okay, so this is equal to 2i minus I is I, j minus j is 0 minus k as it is. So this is equal to what? I minus k. So first ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಇದಾವ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. a2 minus a1 ಮಾಡಿದೆ, you get it as I minus k. Okay, so next thing what I require, b1 cross b2 I require. So cross product ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, you have to use the determinant there. So b1 cross b2 I am solving. So b1 cross b2, if you want to find I, j, k as it is, then you have to write the coefficients of b1 2 minus 1 1 and b2 3 minus 5 2. So this is what b1 cross b2, if you see here. Okay, b1 value 2 minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1 plus 1. B2 the 3 minus 5 plus 2. 3 minus 5 plus 2. Okay, so ಈ determinant solve ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. First I as it is. So ಐದು ರೋ ಐದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. minus 2 minus of minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Okay, minus j into bracket. Jth row and jth column I have to leave. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 plus k into bracket. This row and this column I am leaving minus 10 minus of 3 1s are 3. So this is equal to I into bracket minus 2 plus 5 minus j into bracket 4 minus 3 is 1 plus k into bracket minus 10 plus 3. So this is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3, 3i minus j minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7k. So this is what B1 cross B2. So next if I want, B1 cross B2 only. If I want magnitude of B1 cross B2, you know that what is the formula? Root of x square plus y square plus z square. So root of, what is x square here? 3. 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square. Okay, so this is equal to root of 3 square is 9 plus 1 plus 49. So 49 plus 1 is 50, 50 plus 9 is 59. So magnitude of B1 cross B2 is how much? Root of 59. So next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈಗ B1 cross B2 ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ A2 minus A1 ಸಿಕ್ಕದ. Also you have got the magnitude of this. So I substitute all these values now. So this shortest distance D is equal to, so formula another B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1. So B1 cross B2, it is here 3i minus j minus 7k dot product with what it is A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is what? I minus k whole divided by root of 59. So this is equal to dot product mado munda I dot I value is 1. So 3 into 1 will be 3. Next j dot j is 1. So there is no value of j. So write it as 0. Plus k dot k value is 1. Minus into minus is plus. So it becomes plus 7 divided by root of 59. So 7 plus 3 is how much? 10. 10 by root 59 is the shortest distance. Clear? So first step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Comparing with the standard equation A1 B1 A2 B2 values ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then you have to write the formula B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. So find A2 minus A1, then B1 cross B2, then magnitude of B1 cross B2 and substitute them in the given equation. So once you substitute, you get the, either negative bandru kuda you have to write it positive because you have the symbol here magnitude. So you get the shortest distance as 10 divided by root of 59. Okay. So this is first one. So similarly, I'll take up with the second example. Find the distance between the lines L1 and L2 given by R is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k plus lambda times of 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Similarly, R, one more vector R equation they have given. R is equal to 3i plus 3j minus 5k plus mu times 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Okay. Now see both the equations. So 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So idrallu enada 2i plus 3j plus 6k. If you compare these two, this one and this one, so both are equal same. So ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದಾವ. So these are what? Parallel lines. A1 plus lambda times of B. R is equal to A2 plus lambda times of B. So yakandra B value same ada if you see here. So these are what? Parallel lines. They are parallel, then they are coplanar lines. Okay. So now I have to use which formula? First I write the things. A1 is equal to, A1 value is this, I plus 2 times of J minus 4 times of K. Next, B value is 2I plus 3J plus 6 times of K. Okay. Next, A2 value 3I plus 3 times of J minus 5 times of K. Okay. ಈಗ just derive ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರದ್ದು shortest distance formula is what? B cross A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B. Okay. So first A2 minus A1 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here is A1 and here is A2. So A2 minus A1 is equal to 3I plus 3 times of J minus 5 times of K minus A1 value I plus 2 times of J minus 4 times of K. So this is equal to 3 minus 1 is 2, 2I, 3 minus 2 is 1 minus J, sorry, plus J minus 5K plus 4K is minus K. Okay, 3I minus I is 2I, 3J minus 2J is J, minus 5K minus into minus plus 4K, minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1, so minus K. Either A2 minus A1 ಆಯ್ತು. So B vector is already given, it is here. So cross product ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾನೀಗ. Okay, to take this cross product, so what I have to do now? B cross A2 minus A1 ಅದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay, so what it is? B cross A2 minus A1. So this is equal to, what is B? B vector is equal to 2I plus 3 times of J plus 6 times of K. Okay, A2 minus A1, what you have got now? 2I plus J minus K. So you just solve madidri, A2 minus A1 value is here. So cross product andra determinant value I, J, K. What is here? 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Here 2, 1, minus 1. So if I solve it now, if you take I into bracket minus 3, minus 6, minus J into bracket. This is Jth row, Jth column bidbeka, minus 2, minus 6 2s are 12. K, so it is K into bracket 2 into 1, 2 minus 6. Okay, so you get here minus 9I plus 14J. 2 minus 6 is minus 4 times of K. So minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9 into I. Minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14. Minus 14 into minus J is plus 14J. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4 into K is minus 4 times of K. Okay. So next, magnitude of B also you require, because the formula here says you require B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B. So magnitude of B is equal to root of 9 square plus 14 square plus 4 square. So this is equal to root of 9 square is 81 plus 14 square is how much? 196 plus 4 square is 16. So if you add together, you will get root of 293. Okay. If you solve it, wait. 81 plus 196 plus 16. So 81 plus 196 plus 16 if you solve. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 8 is 19, 2. Yes, 293 you get. So that is what magnitude of B. So, sorry, this is magnitude of what? B cross A2 minus A1. So magnitude of B cross A2 minus A1 you get it as 293. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವುದ್ರದ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? B cross A2 minus A1 the value. Okay. If you want only magnitude of B, then you have to take this as root of B illada 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So this is root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. So root of 49 which is equal to 7. So this will be equal to root of 293 divided by root of 49 which is equal to root of 293 divided by 7. Okay, I explain it once again. So first in madeni R is equal to A1 plus lambda B. R is equal to A2 plus mu times of B adu. So standard equation joti compare ಮಾಡಿ A1 value ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ I plus 2j minus 4k. A2 value 3I plus 3j minus 5k ಅದ. Okay, B value same ಅದ, therefore only ಅದು parallel ಇರ್ತದ. Okay, B1 B2 ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ skew lines formula ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. B value if it is same, you have to take the same equation. Next formula ಏನದ distance ಈಗ D is equal to B1 cross B cross A2 minus A1 divided by modulus of B. So B cross A2 minus A1 ada first A2 minus A1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. A2 minus A1 ಅಂದ್ರ 3I plus 3j plus minus 5k. A2 value minus A1 value is here. Okay, ಅದು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 2I plus j minus k ಬಂತು. Okay, so next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೇನ್ ನಾನು formula ಪ್ರಕಾರ B cross A2 minus A1 ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So B value is here. Cross product with A2 minus A1 value illada. So I j k, if I solve this magnitude, I get it as minus 9a plus 14j minus 4k. Ideno B cross A2 minus A1. So idr the magnitude ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ನಾನು B cross A2 minus A1 the magnitude 293 ಬರ್ತದ. So divided by magnitude of B the formula. So magnitude of B if you want, here is B. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. You get it as root of 49 which is 7. So formula the resubstitute madri. What is the formula? Distance is equal to modulus of B cross A2 minus A1 divided by magnitude of B other. So B cross A2 minus A1 the magnitude 293 divided by magnitude of B 49. So that is 7. So root of 293 divided by 7 is the equation. So till now what all we have derived, the first derivation ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, equation of a line through a point which is parallel to given vector B. ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ a plus lambda b ಇರ್ತದ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಟೀಷಿಯನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c, where a, b, c are what? Direction ratios. Next, through two given points we have seen, this is a vector equation, this is Cartesian equation. Both the forms we have derived and we have seen the examples based on this. So after that we have seen the distance for the skew lines. Skew lines just now we have solved it. B1 cross B2 dot product with A2 minus A1 divided by B1 cross B2, magnitude of this. Okay, other same Cartesian form nagittandra this formula you are going to use. Okay, so then distance between parallel lines, what derivation we have seen today, and this is the formula to calculate distance between two parallel lines. So based on all these four whatever we have derived, we have exercise number 11.2. So we shall see the examples of exercise number 11.2 from the next session. Okay, thank you.